What's going on? Got our 4 gauge pillar set up here, glow shift for the 7.3. This is the 4 gauge pillar in the tan. Looks really good. Got our installation guide here. Nice heavy duty wiring harness. All the wires. Nice sticker in there. Got your little push plugs for the pillar. I believe this is going to be for our boost, and this one here for the transmission or the fuel. We got another one here for transmission or the fuel, and looks like another little sticker down in there. And of course we got our 4 gauges here. We're doing the boost, EGTs, transmission, and fuel pressure with these. So really excited. We're going to go ahead and get these on a truck and check back in. Alright, so I went ahead and actually opened up the gauge box here, and when I opened that up I realized there was a lot more wiring in there and some more sensors in there. So with one of these here, one's going to be for a 6.0, one's going to be for a 7.3. Plugs into your fuel bowl housing, and you got your wire harness here for your fuel pressure, and this is your fuel pressure. You're going to use one of these along with this for your fuel pressure. Got a couple more wires here. This right here is actually for your transmission temp. Then you got one right here for your EGTs, and then you also, along with it, have this for your EGTs. So that's that. We're going to go ahead and keep installing here and get back. Alright, so we got the gauges all on the truck. Just want to show you real quick. The fuel pressure gauge sensor is going to go right there, the back of this fuel bowl on the 7.3. And then this is how I tapped in for the boost, right here on this little map sensor hose. Ran it across, ran this one up, run over here. This brown wire right here, I've actually got, that's the ground that runs down to the transmission temp sensor. So we've got them all hooked up. We've got the gauges in the truck now. I'm gonna go ahead, turn it on here. It's only kind of flashing like that in the video. Gauges are not flashing. I don't know why that, yeah. But of course you can change your color here. And also it'll actually get to where the color will just change on its own, which is kind of a neat feature. You can change it, customize it to your truck. I like the green on here. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up. I don't know why that one's the only one flashing in the video. It's kind of crazy, but it's not flashing, just showing up like that. But overall, install was relatively easy. Everything worked pretty well. Real happy with this gauge setup. Looks really good in the truck here. And I went with the 4 gauge pod. And overall, really happy. Install was a breeze with everything that it comes with here for the paperwork and installation guide. So check these gauges out.